What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm going to show you how I make a turkey on my smoker. You may never want to make a turkey differently again. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I have my marinade injection and my dry rub. I've got some details in the description box below for what I'm using to inject this turkey and details on my homemade rub. This turkey weighs almost 14 pounds. So I'm gonna take that turkey and first I'm gonna remove the inner cavity contents. You can keep that and use it to make gravy or even homemade stock. And then I'm gonna spatchcock this turkey. This is completely optional. You don't have to do that. What that does is I remove the backbone from the turkey. It allows the turkey to sit flat. It also allows the turkey to cook a little faster. It's gonna cook at least 30 minutes, maybe even a little faster than if you didn't spatchcock it. And then in general, I think that it produces meat that's a little tender and a little more juicy. It also looks really nice. So I've got my favorite cooking shears. Check out the description box below. I'll link to those. And I'm going to just remove that backbone completely. Then flip that turkey over and I'm gonna press down on the breastbone. That's gonna flatten that turkey. Then I'm gonna tuck those wings behind and then get these legs sitting nice. And so now it's time to inject this turkey. So I'm using a butter marinade. I've got a link for you in the description box for my favorite one, but you can also just create your own and grab an injector and get to injecting that turkey all over. This is gonna get it nice and tender. Then I've got some olive oil. I'm gonna spray that turkey so that my dry rub adheres nicely. Again, this is my homemade dry rub recipe. I've got full details and serving sizes in the description box below. And I'm gonna sprinkle that all over the turkey and rub everything in. You can also flip this over and do the other side as well, but there's gonna be plenty of flavor in this turkey with us using an injection marinade along with a dry rub. This turkey's not gonna be dry at all, y'all. So once you've got those spices rubbed in, you want to get that on your preheated smoker. I'm smoking this at 225 degrees. I leave that parchment paper on there because it's really easy to lift that turkey up once everything is cooked. And I'm gonna also inject my probe into the turkey because we're gonna wanna cook this turkey until it reaches an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees. So I'm gonna stick that in because that's gonna help me gauge when it's time to take this turkey off. Overall, this turkey took about 3.5 to 4 hours to smoke. You can see I flipped it and turned it in the opposite direction because you may notice that your smoker gets a little hotter on one side than the other. And so I could see that that skin was starting to cook a little faster on one of the other sides. And so I wanted to make sure that this was all evenly distributed. So now I'm gonna slice into this turkey. I don't care much about the presentation and the slicing because I'm gonna use this turkey to make some nachos and turkey salad. I just wanna show you guys how it's dripping in juices. This thing is not dry at all. And there you have it, smoked turkey.